wind from my left side. It was very hard to bike and I thought, okay, let's take a pit stop. Going for a bike ride in Amsterdam, a 5 kilometer bike ride in snow, specifically snowstorm है थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे 40-45 किलोमीटर पर आवर की विंड चल रही है. Temperature is -4 but feels like -17. Just wanted to see how does it looks like in a snow in the nearby area. चलते हैं. So going on a track which I know where exactly the cycle track would be. Here it is. How does it look like? And now it will start. Here's the Amstel River. You can see the traffic barely any. I have reached halfway. It was very difficult, really. I know this point. This is like 2.5 kilometers from the point where I started. So I've taken a U-turn. I'm going back, but at the same time, I'm excited as well because if you look at the weather outside, or if you look outside, it is like something that you will not see every day. Let's start the journey back.
Speeding faster in a minute. I'm high on slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain, just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a lust, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up, 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 up. When I'm with you, I'm with you. Pink sky ride, going faster, getting wilder. Don't care if I get out of line. here tonight. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain. Just don't let the memories fade. We know we are lost, in love with a loss, but heart trumps the mind, so we'll win anyway. Yeah, we own the sun, naive, wild and drunk. Oh, 'cause it's all up when I'm with you, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Oh, so I'm almost back, but let me see how much kilometers I have. 5.16. More than 5 kilometers. That was, I must say, quite a ride. It's still snowing in the form of very minute crystals. While going on the way, there was a very strong wind from my left side. So this area was kind of like, it's quite cold as well. So this area was frozen, almost like I was feeling numb, and it was very hard to bike as well. Then I thought, okay, let's take a pit stop. On the way back, I faced the same challenge. Like this time on my right hand side, where the wind was quite strong, so I was feeling numb. But I drove slowly, or I ride slowly. If you like this video, then please do give a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe to my channel for such awesome videos, and do comment and let me know your feedback. On that note, see you soon. Bye.